So here's the concept I want you to get. What makes all of this so challenging to study humans is the error. So, I mean, you could even make a song about the error. It's all about the error. Error, 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 error. Right? Once we understand the error, then we can make some statements. So, Roger Kirk is a methodologist in the 90s. It was the heyday of Kirk. He wrote a chapter in the Handbook of Psychology, which there's like a 14-volume set of these, which I like these because they're the, oh boy, look at this. I just turned to a really exciting page. Look how fun that is. I don't know if you can see that. Doesn't that just look nerdy as all get out? I mean, when people say, does psychotherapy work? All you need to do is say, there you are. Doesn't that look like it's working? So Roger Kirk. So here's a quote. Experimental design is concerned with the skillful interrogation of nature. Her most effective tool for confusing researchers is variability. In particular, variability among participants or experimental units. So Kirk, by the way, this is a very Baconian statement where nature, I mean, it's a very patriarchal type of statement, right? Where we're going to rough nature up. And if you remember, Francis Bacon had, just was going to, wrangle nature and, force it to yield the secrets. And, it's very aggressive and violent. And so, but at any rate, the idea here is a good one, that what confuses us in science, what confuses us is error and variability. Did I hear a comment? I missed. If you have one, jump in. Okay. Now, so the very thing that makes science challenging for us, and in our case, social science, the very thing that makes it challenging, we can use to our advantage. Okay? We can use error to our advantage. So we can use this variability between people and in settings. We can use the variance to our advantage. We compare the variability of one person to another in a setting that remains constant. And so if we keep the setting constant and we understand the sources of error and quantify the error, then we can get closer to making scientific types of statements. And control is one of those things that is a hallmark to experiments. And as you control, you are keeping things constant. So